All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm gonna go straight to the program. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share it on any platform of your choice. Now, that's this update that I want to share with us. Although many of you are aware of it, many of us are aware. It's not just all that breaking, okay? But I want you to pay attention to this video, very, very important. What you are seeing now on your screen is the upcoming election in Biafra land from United States of Biafra. The COS, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, made this announcement. She actually made the publication as well on her X handle. And that's what I'm sharing with you now. Not only this, I have update about the ID card. Because some people that are with Ogengere are also doing their crazy things, lying to people that they apply for ID card, that the ID card did not come out. Remember, Sona Parawa and Ogengere used to tell people that everything about ID card was suspended for a particular reason, is technical issue and all that. It's not about technical issue, it's just that they are not in control of that. All right, because they did not hijack everything, although they hijack a lot of things. But ID cards, platform, website is not part of what they hijacked. That's why they are stuck. And this issue of court case, Ogengere claiming with Sona Parawado, claiming that everything is about them and all that. But they are looking for a way to get hold of this document, Biafran redeclared, and all those things like website and all that. That's why they are fighting and all this nonsense they're doing. But they don't bother to know how many Biafrans are with USB and how many with them, how many are with them. So in this video, let's start with the upcoming election. Like I told you, it's very, very important that you pay attention to that. So some people have criticized it and said, how can you organize election in Biafra land? Why must you? How do you think it's gonna work? There's security problem and all that. But the truth is that many of us used to say the same thing when self-referendum was announced. And we saw how Biafran they went out, queue and vote. They cast their vote and nobody disturbed them. So I cannot start nonsense doubt. No. The thing is that once it's been announced as this is Ikemba State and all the states, Omambara and Odumegu, all the states in Omambara before, all right, in other number states. If you are part of those ones, I will encourage you to pay attention when the date and date have been announced, how the election would be organized and everything, so that you can go out and vote. And the template to follow while voting and everything is also out as well. But let's start from this one, as you can see on your screen. Let me see if I can expand it more so that you yourself may have proper access to it. I think it's more readable now, isn't it? So let us run with this one as it is now. So pay close attention and go through the publication before you now on your screen. Breaking first, United States of Biafra USB governorship election in states of Ikemba, Odumegu, and Omambara's old Anambra State, only on November 4th, 2025, at home and diaspora, meaning people who are not even at home will still vote via electronic voting, sorry. So that alone shows you that the USB government has prepared about it before they come out to announce it. And like I said, let's see and follow the update as it unfolds. Now, the update or the follow-up about this election is what we are going to go through again, because I think I will have a little bit details about it to share with you. Okay, this one is the write-up, but it's very, very small. There's a way that CS just made it more easier. That is what you are seeing now. She made it more easier. Things that you are seeing here is what she, practically put in reading right in typing form, and I think it's more readable as it is now. So let's go through it. It says, breaking press release: United States of Biafra USB election timeline for the November 4th, 2025 governorship and deputy governorship election in the state of Ikemba, Odumegu, Omambala, Old Anambra State. 1st October, that is number 1, October 7 to 12, declaration of intent to contest. So if you want to be a governor or deputy or deputy governor, anything at all, you have from 7th of October, today's date is 8th, so you can now indicate that, no, I am from Ikemba State, I would like to contest. This is my qualification, this is what I have, and it's here. So everything is here, and we're going to go through it like I promised you. Let's start, from that number 1, October 7 to 12, the declaration of intent to contest. Send notice to contest to this website, this email, sorry. Okay, you go use this government email, ihs@usbgovernment.org, then indicate by putting send an email to them that my name is this, I am from so place, I'm so age, maybe your qualification and anything, just send it to them. Then if they need more clarification from you or to verify your identity, they will now reply you and present it to you. Now, second, on October 13th, because this one will stop at 12, right? From 13th upwards, he said, announcement of successful contestants in the 3 USB states of Ikemba, Omambala, and Odumegu, based on approved criteria. Do you understand? Based on approved criteria, A, must have supported the freedom of USB for the past 12 months. Are you getting the point? So you cannot just come from nowhere and want to contest. No, you must be someone that have been with the USB government all along, at least 12 months, like she put it, it's been put in here. So you have to be someone well known, or not well known, but that you must have something to show that, look, I have been here, I've been through my support, I have, that kind of thing, and I want to contest. That is it. So that's number 2. And the states involved is Ikemba, Omambala, and Odumegu, based on the approved criteria. So you have to come from those states. You cannot be someone from, let's say, another state and they want to be a governor there. No. A, must have supported the freedom of USB for past 12 months. Okay. B, must have no criminal records. That's another thing. You must not have you must be someone that is upright. Do you understand? The person must not commit any crime. He must not have any criminal records. That is one of the demands, like number B stated here. Must be 25 years and above. Then again, that's from number C. You must be 25 years and above. Number D, must be a Biafran citizen. What are the requirements to become a Biafran citizen? E, must have a minimum of a college education, high school, university, tertiary institution. 3, October 14 to 21, 2025, flag of campaign by approved contestant. That means they will commence, the campaign and everything. So the flag of campaign will start. All the contestants from these 3 states, but the government did not state how many contestants they want. So you don't think that they want to accept me and I'll just apply. Then if you have all the qualification, then you apply. They will do screening and everything. They will approve it. Then you can start your campaigning and everything. You start contesting with other candidates. Then the day of the election, people will not decide. 4th, October 22. Remember, from 14 to 21, the flag of campaign will commence. Then from 22 to 30th of October, all this month, earlier voting in the 3 states, digital and physical in homeland. So people will start, those who want to vote on time, is gonna start from 22 to 30th. So that's the month of the date they have mapped out for that. Then 5th, on November 1st to 3rd, earlier voting. Okay. 6th, November 4th to November 4th, 2025, which is this year, election day. That is the day, the official day for everybody to come out but you can start voting. Starting because early voting is 22 to 30th of this month. Then November 1st to 3rd is now the date of those early voting, that maybe the official date is that day. But early voting can start as 22. Early voting itself is 1st of November to 3rd of November. Everything on your screen, so you can go, you can see it yourself. Then 6th, which is 4th of November. 4th of November 2025 is the election day, and it will start from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Digital and in homeland with all physical, of course. Like when Biafran voted for self-referendum, the same thing happened. So that's why anybody questioning that, although now the people that felt that they have captured PM and Massimo Kano are too noisy now, so maybe the security from Biafran they need to tighten up more than what happened during the self-referendum, because a lot of enemy now go from other camp. You know what I'm talking about. Seventh, that's number 7. That's 4th of November 2025, which is the election date, the day of the election. The announcement of the winner in the 3 states by the USB government electoral election will be announced. They will announce the date, the winner of the election. They're not going to wait for days to announce it. No, that day they will announce the election. And once they will announce the winner, once they announce it, maybe if you want to contest, USB government will not know how to deal with it. But the confirmation of the winners by the USB attorney, because they are going to confirm it and everything, acceptance speech by the governors and deputies will follow up. Speech by the USB government, USB government DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, will follow as well. Then Saturday, November 8th, 2025, volunteer lockdown will commence. And I think that is the day of the so-called, okay, let me read it so you understand. Lockdown and sit at home, no movement of Biafrans in the state of Ikemba, Odumegwu, and Omambara, the old Anambra state, due to forceful planned governorship election by the delegitimized foreign Nigerian state occupiers in Biafran land. So because that's Soludo and his group want to contest election on November 8th. So that day is the lockdown that we have talked about, although you know that as well. And imminent aggression, threat to constitutional order by foreign countries, Nigeria, in an attempt to hold election in Biafran land, in Biafran territory. So they are going to make sure that they disrupt that movement simply in a peaceful way. Sit at home, don't go out from the USB government, because this is to be honest with you, that sit at home is very, 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 very crucial. For the first time, even though Gingiri camp, the fallback republic, They also have announced this at home. So this one is not gonna be this person. Oh, I don't agree. I agree. No, every Biafran support. They are against this election of Soludo and his people. You cannot beat it because people that own the land have said, and they don't want any election, and they have announced this at home. So we are going to watch it and see how the whole thing will unfold. United States of Biafra is a sovereign nation declared on November 29th, 2024 in Latin Finland, following a self-referendum that everybody has seen. Nobody is arguing about it, where over 50 million Biafrans voted to exit Nigeria. Signed, Honorable Adeze Eze Mouthpiece, USB Secretary of Interior and Homeland Security. That is official statement. Cut and join. It is well established, well pronounced, and well declared. Here you have another of the, like I told you about the ID card. COS made it clear that if you are not in line in support in the USB government, if you are not in support of USB government, they said not support by money. But if you are one of those who say USB charger, USB no matter the name you have nicknamed this new station, new nation, whatever, that's COS made this speech. She did not say it once. She has been saying it is that you need to also let us know your stand. You cannot be holding USB identification card at the same time you are working hard to destroy the USB or blackmail USB. Some of you may say, "Oh, but you guys are using Nigerian passport and you are." No, it's not the same. Why is this? Because nobody wants to destroy Nigeria. You hear me right? Nobody wants to destroy Nigeria. It's Nigeria that wants to destroy us. And on an attempt for us to protect ourselves, we are not pushing back and say, no. You understand? You cannot just tell me, come in. You open the door. Come and rest. And you have people that know how to be seen at your house. And that's what I do. And they be seen at your house. What's the sense of being person at your house? It's better you let me go. Let me go. Because the house that you open the door for me to come and have some rest is where they're buying people. And I'm running away from people that are buying people. I'm outside, suspect that buyers will come. And you say, come. This is a shelter. Come and sit down. Once I walked in, what happened? You started planning on how to buy people. So they are not the same thing. The thing is that we know our people are not known for violence. You can't check Biafran's history. I'm talking about Igbo people. Our people are not known for violence, no. But the problem that people have with us, those who want to undermine our quietness and gentility, they always find it funny to coexist because we cannot just allow you to sit on our head and pee and poo on our body, and we want us to keep quiet because we are decent and innocent, genuine and understandable people. No. Sometimes we need to also, that's why people they go and say that so not like this our age, our current youth now, and then to say that somehow some characters now. Why do I say so? Because you cannot see judging by what people like John Vika, these are people they're not in their 60s or 70s. These are supposed that they're in the age of even telling people what they learned from their own parents. But look at what they're doing. They are telling some of them are even saying that Christians are not being quiet. Some of them are saying that can you just, that is it. So she said, this valuable item is far less important than the damage keeping it will do to your soul. Give it back and set yourself and give it back and set yourself and your future free. This diamond clearly states United States of Biafra, reminding you the document that you are holding is still your USB government, United States of Biafra. You cannot beat it. That's what it is. And the document you are claiming that you need to fall back and fall deep and hide with this, you are lying to yourself. You are lying to yourself. I don't know the madness that some of you are running with, but life differs. Mas Namdekano said, let me take it again. This diamond clearly states the United States of Biafra, led by Mas Namdekano, someone like Ngozi or Orabueze. Anything or anyone outside this leadership and ID card for 80 million Biafran is fraud. And she put her, her own ID card here, okay, just to tell you that she have not to hide. Okay, I dare you to put your own. I don't even know your name. I say Ayob. Okay, who knows? Now, from resident agent to president agent, or to president, I don't know what you nickname yourself. So, my people, this is the update that I told you about, because many of us may not be aware of this chance, this privilege for you to contest as as a governor of one of these states, and you don't need to bribe anybody. You don't need to hire thugs. You don't need to snatch ballot box. It is gonna be a free and fair election according to the instruction and plans from United States of Biafra or the United States of Biafra government, and it's not hidden. So please make sure you keep this date and everything as it is. Thank you, my people. I'm not gonna waste much of your time. This is a morning, broadcast, and I want you to go through it and like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.